Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. Today I want to talk with you about investment. If you do not investing, it's okay, because a lot of people just don't know how to do it. And today I want to show you the platform. I want to show you the way to invest in the stock market, to invest the real money to grow in the long period. So everything that you probably know about investing, or you do not know about investing, I want to put it into pieces. Yeah. So there's a great platform. Of course, all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. So be my guest, use my links, go to the platform, pass the registration, and try to invest yourself. Because investment, this is a great tool to make extra income in short or long period of time. If you have some extra money, or you need extra money, and you have about $100 or 200 or a couple $1,000, you can make your first investment. A lot of people think that it's complicated. It's like markets, prices, news, and etc. etc. So I want to tell you that it's not so complicated as you can think about it. Because here's the platform, and just in couple clicks you can buy assets. You can buy stocks of Daimler, BMW, Adidas, Unilever, Volkswagen, etc. etc. There's plenty of tools to get money, to get income, and this is all well-known companies. I don't know, for example, you see that the price is going up and down all the time right here in these spots. And if you think about it like about ownership, you should think about this type of investment like about an ownership, because when you buy stocks, you become an owner of a company. So you bought a piece of company for $100 or $200 or $1,000. You bought the piece of the company, and this company works for you also. You don't need to hire the people. You don't need to make all the financial stuff. You just need to press a couple buttons, and that's it. And you become an owner of a company, small one, but the owner. This is very great, because if you tried to make your own business, you know that this is not easy at all, because you need to know a lot of stuff. You need to handle with a lot of things. But right here in this platform allows you to become an owner of a company in couple clicks. And if you keep these stocks for some time, you will get a profit. So Volkswagen, for example, the big company, one of the biggest in the world, that owns Lamborghini, that owns an Audi, etc. etc. So there's plenty of companies are in the Volkswagen group, and you can buy their stocks right in couple clicks. For example, I want to buy the stocks of this company, and you see the graph is going down right now. That means that in anytime soon it will go up. So I will buy, because I know that the prices will grow. Okay, one made it just like that. There's a small fee, 3%, and that's it. I bought a stocks of this company for $1,000, just for $1,000, and I will keep it for some time. There's a couple ways to make money on the stock market. Of course, you can buy and sell the stocks in the short period of time. So like you bought in the morning and sell them like in the evening, and depending on growth or depending of the price, you will get the profit. Right now I bought the stocks right in here position, and it's going down, but I know that the bottom is right here, for example, and the height is right here. So I know that this company is growing in general. Let's scroll out a little bit to understand that the company right now is on the growth. You see? That means that, for example, if you wait a day or 2 days or 3 days, the price for its stocks can be much more higher. For example, right here, and you get your profit. You can hold these stocks for a long time, or you can sell them, you can close your position in the short period. I like to hold the stocks because I want to show you my portfolio. You see in here, I have Airbus, Apple, BMW, British American. It's on the falling right now, but I'm still waiting, and I know that in 1 month, for example, these stocks will grow. For example, Apple. Everybody knows that in this fall they will show their new phone, headliner, and the greatest phone ever from Apple. Okay, that means that their price, the price of the stocks, will grow, and it's no big deal that right now is minus 10%. So in the fall I will get, for example, 50% of profit from my stocks, and there's a plenty, just amazing amount of companies that you can buy, that you can become an ownership of these companies. You can try the ownership, you can be the owner of this company, but small one. Let's where the company is going. Right now the trend is down going. We can buy also. Let's buy for $1,000. Cool and great. Let's see what we can buy more. You can find, for example, Juventus Football Club. If you love the soccer, if you love the football, you can buy the assets of the football club. Isn't that amazing? This is absolutely great. Let's see what's more. Allianz Insurance. What's the situation in here? Like, it's going stable between the line, like on the same spot sometime, but there was fall. Of course, everybody knows the crisis. And you see that here's the bottom. The company was here, and the company will be right here anytime soon. So we can buy some stocks. That's it. That's pretty easy. And you buying these stocks and you leaving them alone for 1 week, for example, or for a couple days, for example. You don't need to sit in front of your computer like 24/7 and to know which way the price is going. No, you just bought a company and the company is working for you. That's it. Try to start investing from the small amounts of money, and believe me, this will give you an extra profit in month or a couple months. You will get the profit for sure. Be my guest, use my links in the description panel of this video. You can find them easily. Go to the platform, pass the registration, and start investing. Because if you're working, you need to change your time for money. Here, your money is working for you. You don't need to change your own time. You can sit with a cocktail in front of the swimming pool and this platform works for you and the companies that you bought a piece of company, and that company is working for you 24/7 and selling products and growing their incomes, and in that case you will get your profit anytime soon. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed and hope this video was very useful. Start investing right now. Click the links under this video in the description panel. Thank you so much and see you in the next videos. Bye.